Welcome to GymFit Manager, your complete gym management software. Start your free trial today by visiting our website. Once you register, your login details will be sent directly to your email.
Log in and see your entire gym at a glance: members, renewals, attendance, and trends. Everything you need.
To add a new enquiry, go to the Enquiry section and click Add. Enter the customer details, choose the enquiry state.
To add a new member manually, go to Member Management and click Add. Enter personal details, save the form, and change to visions. You can also allow members to self-register using a QR code. After scanning, they fill out their details from their mobile.
Seamless subscription management ensures active member retention and simplifies the renewal and payment process. Members and staff can mark attendance instantly using any method: QR code, face recognition, or thumb access.
Get instant AI insights, attendance, subscriptions, payments, and expenses, all in one smart AI report.
GymFit Manager makes your gym operations fast, simple, and automated. Start your free trial today and upgrade the way you manage your gym.